ways you can mix oil paint. My mix depends on the subject that I'm painting. So if I want to paint the sea and it's figurative, I want it to be shiny, so I'd have more oil in the paint and more Daymar varnish to make it shine. The things I use to add to oil paint are purified linseed oil or linseed oil, turpentine. Turpentine makes it shine, white spirit makes it matte, which is a really good thing to think about. If it says refined linseed oil, it's the same, it's just linseed oil. So I make it in a big bottle like this, so I've always got some ready to go.
And what's in that bottle?
This is a mix of turpentine, linseed oil and Daymar varnish. And depending on the proportions, depend on the more shine, the more Daymar varnish, the less shine, the less Daymar varnish. If you want it to dry a lot faster, you don't add any extra linseed oil. You would just add white spirit if you wanted it to be matte, or turpentine if you wanted it to keep the shine. That might be enough.
Yeah.